Yeah, yeah, guys, what's up? The Bus Channel here, and today we're gonna be doing what I got for Christmas Part 3. Yes, there are only two things, and no, I didn't order any car parts. Cause I think it will be better to do it once I've passed my driving test. So one, the parts don't ruin, and two, the things don't go all over my room and ruin as well. So first of all, let's get into this model. As you can see, so sorry about the commentary, but yes, I will unbox this quickly and then I'll get straight back to the commentary. Right then, so Tabasco ketchup we have here, guys. Now, I'm just kidding, I did not order any ketchup off eBay. I ordered this little thing. Ta-da! Which I think is pretty cool. I like the colours of it. It's quite mint apart from the masking tape that's been stuck over it. Yeah, you could easily take that off, but I'm not going to. So, I'm not sure what make or bust this is, because it just said die cast. Oh, apparently it's made in China, like everything is. So yeah, here's the front of the bus, or coach even, I'm sorry. Front of the coach, side of the coach, back of the coach, other side of the coach, roof of the coach, and the bottom of the coach. Not sure who made this, so I'm glad I brought it. Cost me £4, I do believe, this little bad boy here. Moving on to this package. I hope you enjoyed the way I edited the vehicle product last time, guys. I thought I'd change up the style a bit. I'll do the same this week as well. This week I'm planning on to do the cutting down some of the branches that are getting onto some of the vehicles. Because one, they're in the way of me cleaning them. And two, they're probably scratching them a bit. So yeah, I've got to chop them down. I'm only doing one side of the yard, but when I get round to it, round to the other side of the yard where R5 is, I will do that side as well. So here we have an ex-Johnson's XL bus now, but then, back then in this photo, it was part of the Johnson's XL bus fleet, or Johnson's Quality Coach and Bus Travel fleet, which probably now they're just called Johnson's Quality Coach Travel, because they don't do buses anymore, which is a shame. I'm going to miss that. So here's the front of the photo, and the back of the photo, and this is one of their old Alexander Dennis Enviro 400 MMCs, which I do believe went up to yellow buses and then a company in Cardiff, I do believe, Wales. All three of them are still together, SN650HZ, SN650JA and SN650JB are all still together in the same fleet, which I thought was pretty cool. I think they're sisters, so all the sisters stay together, which is good. Which is what I tried to do with R4 and 5 and succeeded. So yeah. This one is SN650HZ. For some reason I thought it was AJB, but oh well. This one was actually my school bus once on the Route 3A, I do believe. Wow. It used to be called just the number 3 and then it was the 23. Ages ago. I did get a bus pass for the 23. But when I went and got a bus photo, I bloody lost it because I had it in the back of my phone case, and that's another regret I made. Because now I ain't got my old 23 bus pass, which I will never have. I've only got the 3A, and the 154, because that was my last school route. that I did, because I got changed over from the number 3, which I just like to call it because it's easier. And yeah, I got put over to the 154, which was cool, because I got to experience more coaches. Well, I got to experience why I was like going to school on a coach rather than a bus. I like both of them, to be fair. I wonder what it's like now that Stagecoach do it. I wonder what it's like when Diamond did it. That would have been interesting. So yeah, here's the front and the back if I haven't showed you that already. And it is in one of its old livery styles, because they did change some of these. This is in the X20 Bards bus livery, which is the livery I went on it on. And went on it. Well, I think I went on the X20. Yeah, it would have been the X20. And yes, I think that'll be it for the video. So, let's get the thumbnail, guys. And yes, this will probably be uploaded today. So yeah, let's get the thumbnail, guys. Also, guys, the only thing that they've done customization to, I think that's number 31, original to the model. But this school bus sign, some kids probably just stuck it on to make it look like a school bus. Or to say school bus. It's just masking tape, really. Piss off, low battery. I'll be done with you in a minute. And yes, it just... I don't know what that says, but yeah, there's just masking tape on it. Don't know what that is. And on the other side, it just says school bus. I think there's something underneath it, but I'm not sure. I'm not going to take it off because I like leaving it how it comes. Yeah. Pretty cool. I do like that bus model. If I knew who made it, I would tell you, but I have generally no idea who made this one. So, yeah. That is actually a nice shot. It's probably quite rare, actually. Don't know. Don't quote me on that, guys. So yeah, hopefully Drift OB will maybe the last episode. I don't know. And yes, I have had a haircut finally, because it's getting rather long. Hopefully, I will do Drift OB soon, but I'm not sure about that because I don't really have the time at the moment. But yeah, because I've got to edit random buses, some photos of mine and whoever else that I put on there, and yeah, and these unboxings, which I don't think will... I don't know how much more I'll do of these, because yeah, I've still got 100 quid left, I do believe, so yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and yes, this is going to be part 3 to Christmas series. And yes, the 100 quid was part of my Christmas money. And who knows, my birthday's coming up soon, so yeah, I'm going to get some more money. So who knows, some more unboxings might come. And yeah, I think that's about all to the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn the notifications on. We got 3 likes on the first video. We got 1 like on the second video. Can we break that like goal, guys? Can we get... Let's go for 10 likes. Let's do it. Smash that like button, guys. And turn on your notifications. Make sure you subscribe and comment if you feel free. You can feel free to comment. And yeah. You can ask me anything you want. I do not care. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. And peace out, peeps. Also guys, one more thing before I go. Look at this. My bloody room has had a leak. That ain't good. And yeah, hopefully it'll be repaired soon. There's one above my bed which I can't really show because you can't really see it. There's also one where the chimney is. I'll show you guys quickly. So yeah guys, here is the leak where the chimney is. See, it's gone all the way to there now, hence why I've had to move my teddies all in a massive pile there, because they normally are up there where all these are, but these are safe because they're behind glass. And I've had to remove the pictures as well, because or else they would have got ruined. And yes, the one above my bed, I nearly got water on my bloody head when I was asleep. And if you wonder where my Routemaster is, the London one, this one, the new Routemaster, it's just here at the moment until the leak's fixed, and then I'll put it back where it is. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and peace out once again. This is the end of the video now, guys. Thank you for watching, and peace out.